There are several ways to earn money on TikTok. 1. Brand partnerships and sponsored content. Brands often collaborate with popular TikTok creators to promote their products or services. The creators earn money in return for creating content that aligns with the brand's image and reaching a wide audience. 2. TikTok's Creator Fund. If you meet TikTok's eligibility criteria, such as having a certain number of followers and a minimum number of video views, you can apply for the TikTok Creator Fund. It allows creators to earn money based on the engagement and performance of their videos. 3. Live streaming. TikTok allows users to go live and connect with their audience in real time. During live streams, viewers have the option to send virtual gifts, which can be converted into real money that the creator can withdraw. 4. Selling merchandise or products. If you have a substantial following on TikTok, you can consider selling merchandise or products related to your brand or content. This can include clothing, accessories, or any other items that your audience may be interested in purchasing. 5. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. This can be done by including affiliate links in your video descriptions or promotions. Remember, building a successful TikTok presence takes time, effort, and consistent, engaging content. It's crucial to focus on creating high-quality and original content that resonates with your audience to maximize your chances of earning money on the platform.